I wonder what Dynamic Earth is about.
I know about Dynamic Earth. Come with me.
Wow, really?
All natural occurrences happen because of scientific methods. For example, how and why volcanoes are formed. If we start from long ago, Earth only consisted of one continent, such as my home. Many theories brought up by scientists, otherwise known as Pangea, became separated into several tectonic plates, like here, creating the world we have today. These tectonic plates move on the Earth's mantle, resulting in them moving and colliding into each other, forming many structures and earthquakes.
Drop like an earthquake.
For example, Mount Everest. Mount Everest was created by a huge collision of two tectonic plates resulting in a fault mountain. Continental drift can be defined as the gradual movement of two tectonic plates on the Earth's surface, such as this image right here, showing a fold and fault mountain. These tectonic plates seem to behave as if they are floating. This technically is not false, as the tectonic plates are actually floating on top of a layer of liquid rock, otherwise known as the upper mantle. These tectonic plates are less dense than the upper mantle, causing them to float. That is why tectonic plates are seen as floating. Here is a chart of all the layers on Earth. Somewhere here. As we all know, the tectonic plates drift. It can ultimately sometimes affect the environment that surrounds us. For example, mountains are created through the tectonic plates colliding into one another, thus creating either a decline or incline in landmass.
Wow!
Oh, please,
When you try your best but you don't succeed.
please tell me more. In addition, the way the mountains collide into each other can also affect the way the mountains can look like. For example, fold and fault mountains. These two types of mountains can differ in shape and size. Fold mountains is when the pressure formed by tectonic plates is so immense that one of the plates go under each other, thus creating a more steep-like surface.
Please, sir, I want some more.
Aside the topic of tectonic plates, if we look into a more broad perspective, we can see the Earth is made up of several layers that give its magnetic and thermic-like properties. Starting from the outer layers of the Earth, beginning with the Earth's crust. This is not what we walk on. The layers of dirt and slit are what covers the crust and are normally considered to be separate from it. The crust comprises the continent and ocean bases. It has a variable thickness, but when compared to the other layers, is very minute. Underneath the crust is the mantle. The largest layer is composed of rocky oxides and silicates under high pressure. Once thought that mantle contained liquid magma, but we know now that it is not the case. Magma is formed only in certain locations due to high pressures and temperatures. The mantle is huge, going down to a depth of almost 2,500 kilometers, and it is like the main part of Earth. Below the mantle is the core, which is the very center of the Earth, made mostly of metals like iron. The outer core is like a liquid that flows in a circle-like way. This is like the delicious cream filling of the cake. In fact, the liquid flow of the outer core is responsible for creating the Earth's magnetic field. The inner core, on the other hand, is the solid part that is believed to contain at least 90% iron, which is like a central layer of dense pound cake. I love cake.
Warning, the following video contains stupid and dangerous activities. Do not attempt to reenact, recreate, or reincarnate any of the following stunts, dares, and pretty much anything that's performed in this video. Your discretion is advised.
Are you okay?
Yeah, but I've fallen and I can't get up. But I'm okay.
Sir, I got one question for you. What are those? What are those?
Bye, have a great time.